Hey everyone, Christy Blanchette here. This is my task tools matrix. I really want to teach language arts and social studies in 6th grade. It's a cord type teaching plan that they do for the 6th grades around where I live. They usually do science and math or language arts and social studies. So I really want to teach language arts and social studies. So I put in here reading, writing, social studies, and behavioral skills. When I was looking for the tools that I wanted to use, I was kind of keeping in mind ADHD, spectrum autism, and dyslexia. Those are some common disabilities that I've noticed while I was substitute teaching. So some of the hardware that I thought that we would use when reading is microphones, picture cues, like graphic organizers, smartboards. This WisCom reading pen is really interesting. It kind of lets the students highlight over the words, and then they get to it will read it to them like text to speech, or it will define words also. For writing, I thought that this Ginger software was really cool because it gives you grammar advice as well as spell checking, and it suggests words and sentence structure. So if students are having difficulty with sentence structure, Ginger is something that they can use, and it will suggest how they can rephrase their sentences. For social studies, I thought that MindMeister was a really cool tool. It's an app that allows students to make mind maps, which I felt like was really important in social studies because of timelines and mapping and cause and effect and that kind of thing. So MindMeister was a really cool app. For low tech and behavioral skills, I was kind of excited about bouncy bands for the desk leg so that students can kind of like bounce on them, so it keeps them in their seat and it kind of gives them that extra motion so that they're not getting distracted. Also, a wobble chair could be used in the same way. And then as far as software for behavioral skills, Nearpod.com allows the teacher to control what the student sees on their like Chromebook, for example, so that the kid's not getting distracted, not wandering elsewhere, they're on the same page as everybody else, to kind of keep them focused. So this is my task tools matrix. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.